much. Hi guys, it's Eva, and today I'm going to be making Halloween cupcakes. I am so sorry that this video is late, and also that Halloween was a couple of days ago, but I'm just going to show you what I had thought of for Halloween and how I am going to ice them on the cupcakes. So well, first of all, before we get into it, I have made my chocolate cupcakes, and I've also got my buttercream in all different colours. And I'm also going to say the shout out for this week's video is Kylie Sparkle. I think that's how you say your name. So thank you so much. Also, if you want a shout out in next week's video, then go to the end of your video or watch through this whole video and you'll see how to get a shout out. I really appreciate that. And also, thank you so much for 600 subscribers. Like, honestly, I can't believe it. 400 to go, and then we are at 1k, which is my goal. So thank you, and also don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to the video so you also post notifications onto this video. So yeah, let's get into the baking. Okay, so I have my cupcakes here now, and I am about to start icing them. I'm going to show you all the different ways I'm going to ice them. So here I have a piping bag with a orange coloured buttercream, and I have a 1M piping tip here. So I am just going to start by doing a little swirl on the bottom, and then I am going to decorate, but I'll show you how to do that now. So I'm sorry if it's a bit wonky, but this is the only way I can do it with my tripod. So I will start on this one. Actually, I might start on here. And then I will swirl it so you can see. So I will just apply pressure, swirl it around till I get to middle, and I'll pull away. Just like that. So there I have a nice little rosette. I will do that again for you. There we go. And then I'll do that again here. So I just recommend pulling your buttercream down, just so you've got enough buttercream, and then you twirl it, and then I'll go again here. So you go in the middle, around, and out. Just like that. And then I'm going to decorate that now. So I'll put a time lapse on, and you can watch me decorate that now. Result. I'm very happy with how these turned out. Very nice and Halloween-y colours. So the next one, I am going to be using this turntable here, and I've also got my cupcake right here. I'm going to be using like just a normal piping bag, so like this, and I'm going to fill it with this green colour buttercream. I don't know, guess down in the comments below what you think I'm going to do now. Okay, so for this one I have just got an open nozzle, and I just actually don't have a nozzle. I just cut the end off of this and filled the piping bag with green icing, as you can see. And for this one I am just going to, doesn't really matter, just swirl it on top. Doesn't have to be neat, just like so. Okay, so I am now just going to use my spatula, and I'm going to just smooth out the edges like so. And I actually might use some more buttercream to swirl on top and on the sides, just so it's a bit filler. So it's just like, just fill that up a bit more. There you go. Okay, so as you can see, I have this here right now, and I've also got some green Halloween sprinkles. I did get these from Sprinkles and Toppers, and I definitely 100% recommend them. They also have a YouTube channel and Instagram. I will link that down below. And I've got this like squarey figure now, and all I'm going to do is turn this around and dip the top of it into the buttercream. So now, as you can see, it's got a nice top on there, and it looks like sort of like, I don't know if you're going for all, can you guess? Down below, write it in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, it is in fact going to be a Frankenstein cake. I don't know if you can tell already. I am then also going to grab these these long sprinkles, and I'm going to stick them in the sides of the cupcake, just so it looks like there are things coming out of it, just like that. I am very happy with how this one turned out. So let's move on to the next one. Okay, so I'm going to smoothen this out now, just like a normal cupcake. Obviously you wouldn't necessarily use a spatula. It doesn't have to be perfect, this one. So there we go. And then I am going to use, should I use these ones? Should I use these ones? Or should I use some of my absolute favourite ones? These ones. I think I might use these ones. So I'm just going to grab a little bowl, and I'm going to pour these sprinkles into the bowl here. Just going to say now, this is not sponsored. I just really love this company and these sprinkles so much. So I am just really happy that I have them, especially for Halloween. So I'll just pour these in here. This is going to be the same type of technique as the Frankenstein cupcakes. So I just dip the top in. So I will do that now. So I have these, and I'll just dip it in, sprinkle it around. And ta-da! I am just going to add some more sprinkles on top of here, just so it's nice and full coverage. So there we go, just like that. And I'm going to do that again. So I'll just do that right now. Okay, so with this one here, I have got some orange buttercream and some and this oh, it just fell out. And I also have this piping nozzle here, as you can see. So I am going to try and attempt a pumpkin for this one. So all you have to do is obviously push all your buttercream down like this, and I'm going to twirl it, and then I'm just going to do some lines like that. And then I'm also going to grab some green buttercream and put that at the top as well. So I'll do that in a minute. I'll just do another cupcake right here, and so I'll do that right now. There we go. So they're all there, and I will grab some of this buttercream. Actually, I've just had a thought. I can use these green stalks. So I will do that now, because getting that buttercream is quite a lot of hassle. So I'm just going to put them there, and there are my pumpkins. I actually really like them. So that's gonna go like that, and they are my pumpkins. I hope they look really cool. So I'm very happy with them. So let's move on to the next one. Okay, so this next one, I have the 1M tip here, and I've also got some purple buttercream this time, and I'm just going to do the same thing as I done on the first one. So there, and I will also, on this next one, get some nice sprinkles like this, fill them up, and I am going to just do this technique again, because I'm absolutely in love with it, not going to lie. So let me do that now. Okay, so as you can see here, all of the cupcakes nicely done. I think my favourite out of all of them is definitely this Frankenstein cupcake, and then probably this one, and then the swirl. But overall, I'm very happy with how they turned out. I really hope you enjoyed this decoration video. If you like this type of video and how I filmed it, comment down below. Also, the secret word today is to get a shout out in next week's video is Halloween. So comment that down below and you'll get a shout out just like Kylie Sparkle did in this next week's video. Again, sorry this was so late, I just didn't really have time because obviously I have school and stuff. So yes, thank you for watching, see you guys next time, bye.